of Israel. Noel, 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 Noel. Born is the King of Israel. The first Noel, the angels did sing, was to serve and poor shepherds in fields where they lay, in fields where they lay, keeping their sheep on a cold winter night that was so deep. Noel, 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 born is the King of Israel. They looked at the top and saw a star shining in the east, beyond them far, and to the earth they brought a great light. And so we continue both night and day. Noel, 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 born is the King of Israel. Noel, 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 born is the King of Israel. Born is the King of Israel.
Whoa! Oh man, guys.
Merry Christmas to you all.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Have a blessed Christmas.
Yeah. Thank you next time. Thank you, Gami.
Thank you.
Noel, 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 born is the King of Israel. Noel, 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 born is the King of Israel. The first Noel, the angels did sing, was to serve and poor shepherds in fields where they lay, in fields where they lay, keeping their sheep on a cold